Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a loyal subscriber. I'm Aaliyah Korea, and today's video will be all about the Fenty Beauty launch that happened here in Italy on Friday. Now, I woke up super early to go. I woke up at, I think, 7 o'clock. I woke up at 7 o'clock, got dressed and everything, just to go to this, to experience what everybody else experienced when she first launched her brand, to swatch the products, to basically just engage with everything that she put out. So I was really happy that I was able to do that. I was happy with the stuff that I got, and I actually have a vlog of that day. So I will be putting this up. It will be featured right here. And so I got 4 products. I got her Fenty Beauty, I got her foundation. I got a Killawatt highlighter, a match stick, and her newest product, the Body Lava Luminizer. So I'm going to have a separate video on the Body Lava Luminizer, although I did use it in this video. But I'm going to have a whole separate one dedicated to just this product because it's that gorgeous. It's not just for the body, it's for everywhere. So that'll be up soon. I'm going to use the products in this video. It's going to be not really a tutorial, just like a first impressions, my first impressions. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my overall thoughts on all of her products. And yeah. And it's going to be a wear test as well. So I'm going to wear it out, come back and tell you how it wears. Now, I already did my eyebrows because I hate doing my eyebrows on camera. So now I'm going to get into the face. So I'm not doing eyes today. So first I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty primer. I didn't get this at the launch yesterday. I already had it. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with her foundation in the color 370. Now it says on here to shake well, so shake it. Okay. Oh, it's watery. Okay, so now that I have all the parts I want to have highlighted, now I'm going to go in with her matchstick concealer or a contour, whatever you decide to use it for, and I'm going to contour my cheeks. I think for the contour it's really nice. It's really easy to work with actually. I would think because it's a stick it might be kind of tough, but it's not. Now I'm just going to take the this one of her Fenty Beauty Kilowatts in the color Mascara Mule and Ginger Binge. I'm going to actually use this Ginger Binge as a blush. So now I'm going to take her highlighter in the color Trophy Wife. And I know it's very pigmented, so you're gonna have to be careful with this one. Hopefully I don't do too much. Okay, and I think it looks really, really nice. It's all how you apply it actually. So I think I applied it how I wanted to. I'm also gonna put it on my eyelids. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to see how this wears for the rest of the day, and I will be back. So today in Italy, it was actually hot. It was 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's like 21 degrees Celsius. And this is the foundation. Now I have very oily skin, let's say that first. Very, very oily skin. So I make sure all of my foundations are matte. I never have a sheer, not sheer, but anyway, I just make sure all of my foundations are matte. And this is a very matte foundation because it dried down super fast. So let's see how it did. So I get the most oily right here, so my T-zone basically. And when I go like this, you can see the oil right here, right there, a little bit right here. That's more of the highlight, but I still do oil that, pat that down with a powder. So my thoughts on the application of the product, it was very watery coming out, but it dried down really fast, so that was kind of weird. But I did like the overall coverage of the foundation, being that I have hyperpigmentation that I'm really trying really hard to get rid of. I didn't feel like it was patchy, like in the dark areas. The dark areas kind of came through, but it wasn't patchy like some of the other foundations I use, like a Kat Von D or a Bobbi Boss stick foundation. So I give that a 10. I give that a 10. I really like that. And when it dried down, it didn't dry out my skin, but also it didn't feel like it was too drying, you know? So that was really good. Now for the wear test, it was really hot today, like I said, and I felt my face sweating, but when I went to touch, I didn't see it. And also it doesn't transfer. Like, it doesn't transfer at all, which I love that. Because imagine you hugging somebody, like Kat Von D transfers, and it's the worst thing in the world. So the fact that it didn't transfer was really, really, really good for me. Now the match sticks, the application of the match stick was beautiful. I really, really like it. And I'm so happy I got it because I can't find a good contour color for myself, for my skin color. It's either too red or it's too brown, or it doesn't, you know, it doesn't work for me. So the match stick worked very, very well. Now to the Trophy Wife highlighter, it's absolutely gorgeous. I put it on my lids, my inner quarter, brow bone, cheeks, Cupid's bow, and I did it very lightly because if you do too much, it could be overpowering and it takes away the beauty from it. So I think if you put it on very lightly, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm probably going to do an updated everyday makeup routine because this seems to be products I would use in my everyday makeup. Even though I didn't get the Killawatt highlighter from this launch, I never used it. I used it only when I would do certain looks. But as a blush, the Ginger Binge is totally gorgeous. I'm going to start using that way more often. So overall, I loved everything I got. At first, I was like, I didn't want to have any expectations, but it's kind of hard looking at everybody else's review, everybody else giving their thoughts. Everything is a pro for me. The only con I have is that the foundation dries really fast, so you have to work with it. Really work with it very fast. But other than that, everything was absolutely gorgeous, and I love her products. And I'm extremely happy because now I have somewhere to go where I know I'm going to have a foundation color that matches me. Because before, Fenty Beauty, Sephora, didn't, Italia, the Italian one, didn't carry any colors for me. I would really have to buy foundations and mix them, and it was really hard. So the fact that this line is out, her lipsticks are out, everything, her highlighters, all of that, it's really, really great, and I'm so happy she decided to launch here in Italy. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something, and maybe go pick up some of these products and leave a comment down below to tell me how you like it, if it lived up to your expectations, how you feel about the Italian Fenty Beauty launch, you know, all that good stuff. And click on the right to subscribe, and click on the left so you'll see my most recent post. Click on the left so you'll see my most recent post. Thank you for watching. Bye!